Hi guys, gonna make this short and sweet. Some of you posted comments that you had questions on some of these problems, not all of them. So someone posted that they had questions on the last two and number 12, which I don't know what that means, but let me go over the last two. And if you have questions on any of the others, I'm happy to go over them, but let me just go to the last two right now, which is these two. So this is the answer. But it says find a polynomial of degree 4. That means I need 4 factors. One, it says there's a 0 at 0 and at I, which means we know that imaginary solutions occur in pairs. So if I is a solution, so is negative I, right? And that means I only have 3, so that must mean this is a double 0. So that means it looks like this. And my other two factors are x plus I and x minus I. When I multiply these, I'm going to get x squared plus 1. And then when I multiply these two, I get x to the 4th plus, let me write that neat. I hate when people write sloppy, so I'm not going to do that. X to the 4th plus x squared, which is my answer here. And you can pause this and look at my work if you need to. Have at it. The second one, I need degree 3, so I need 3 factors. I have a 0 at negative 3 and 1 plus I, so that also means 1 minus I is one of my factors, or one of my zeros. So that means my factors then are x plus 3, x minus 1 plus I, and x minus 1 minus I. When I simplify these, or distribute the negative, I'm going to get x minus 1 minus I and x minus 1 plus I. And then I need to multiply these two. So then it gets a little tricky, but not crazy. So I have x minus 1 minus I and x minus 1 plus I. Now the easiest thing to do is to group these together like this, because when I multiply these, I'm just doing, side note here, I'm just doing this, right? So when I actually multiply those, I get x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then when I multiply the outside and inside terms, they end up canceling to 0. And then the last two, when I multiply those, I just get negative I squared. So that's going to give me x squared minus 2x plus 1. And then negative I squared is negative times negative 1, which is positive 1, and that's going to give me x squared minus 2x plus 2. Okay. So now I have to go back and multiply that times my x plus 3. So when I multiply those, I get x cubed minus 2x squared plus 2x. Then I have positive 3x squared minus 6x plus 6. I combine all my like terms, and I have x cubed plus x squared minus 4x plus 6, which is my answer. Okay, so you can pause this and look at all my work, have at it, ask questions, and if you have questions on any of the other answers that you're like, wait, what? Please send me a message and I will go over some of the other ones. Okay, guys, take care. Talk to you soon. I want to have a Zoom with you, hopefully Monday. All right, bye.